What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherri. It is really early in the morning. This is when I have the time to film, so I'm slightly awake. Let's see what happens. Today is another collab video with my makeup mafia, which is Chip and Jamie and Kimberly and Nona. And we are going to kind of revamp our high school look. My high school look was almost non-existent and I thought I was so cute. So here's a picture. Yes, that's a picture of how cute I was not. That was even before I started plucking the unibrow. So yeah. So today I am going to revamp my high school look and add some things that I add to my look at this point of my life, which as I go you'll see. But obviously filling in my eyebrows is one main thing that I would think to do, and also some light contouring and bronzing would be something different that I never did. I didn't even know what a bronzer was when I was in high school, and perhaps some primers and such. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and we'll see what I come up with. It'll be an improvement. I don't see how it could not be. So make sure that you check out all the other ladies. All their info will be down in my info box for you, so make sure and check them out. But let's see what my high school look revamped looks like. Alright guys, well, one thing that I never did for sure is color correct, and so that is something that I would add to my routine, because I have such dark circles, especially right now because I'm not sleeping well and I'm probably not eating well and I'm stressed out and tired all the time, so lots of darkness to cover up. So definitely would add a color corrector. I used to use a stick concealer like this. Oh no, not anymore. Not anymore. Today I'm going to use my Born This Way and my Jouer mixed. Welcome to my face. Welcome to my face. Okay, concealer. I never would have used a beauty blender ever in life. I didn't even know what a beauty blender was. My tools were these. I also never set, I did use powder, and I think I probably did put it underneath my eyes, but not like for the sake of actually setting my eyes. I just put it everywhere. Alright, I am going to go in with an eye base. I would have never ever used an eye base. I would have never made eyebrows. I plucked them until they were no more, until they were like now. So I'm going to add my eye base. I'm going to add some contour, which I never would have done, which I would have loved to make myself look a little bit slimmer in the face. So eyebrows, contour, eye base. Alright folks, we are on to the eyes, and so I'm going to zoom in even further, I think. There we go. And yeah, I think whenever I was in high school, I would basically just put one color of eyeshadow over my whole lid, or just a liner on my waterline and just like a top across my top lash line, and mascara, and call it a day. So just the fact that I would, you know, add a transition and add a little bit of dimension back to the eye look was be something that would amp up or revamp my high school look. I'm also going to put on some lashes. So I never put a lash on, not even thought about it. And of course I have non-existent eyelashes, so that was never something that really added to the beauty of my look. It just kind of was there with some mascara, and that was it. So I'm going to go ahead and do some eyeshadow. I think I'm going to start off with the Carly Bible palette. with Anastasia. Just kind of do something that's work appropriate, but a little bit more fancy than what I would have ever done in high school.
thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're off of this beat and I'm spitting a cappella. Hey. Back in the day in school with the fools when I was younger. We never skipped class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we live so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. What our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new. Come back now. I don't feel like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to. You can tell me something new. Oh, you can tell me something new. I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel how I used to. I don't hear from you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to.
Alright guys, I am back. As you can see, I have revamped my high school look. I would hope to think that I look better now than I did then. You know, addition of eyebrows, some lashes, a little highlight, a lippy that's a little bit deeper than a nude. But anyways, this is kind of my evolution, and I kind of like where I'm at a lot more. But I think we all probably look back on our senior pictures or our high school pictures and think, And I thought I was cute. And I really did think I was cute. But anyways, I am gonna go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, make sure and check out my girls, Chip and Nona and Jamie and Kimberly. I hope I mentioned everybody at the beginning. I'm always bad about that. But they are my girls, they are my heart, and they're all incredible with makeup and just incredible human beings. So go check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And I'm getting back to filming. Hang in there with me. Things are still kind of tumultuous on the work front, but I'm doing the best I can. So hang in there with me. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. But until next time,